So this is a little controversial. The title of this video is Best Go High Level Tutorial. And I really believe it is. Here's the funny part. Am I going to show you anything in Go High Level? Absolutely not. Let me tell you why. I used to have, when I first started, I had an agency doing 100K plus a month. My agency was to build funnels for other people. Guess what? I've never built a funnel in my life. I want you to think about that for a minute. Forget about me. One of the most successful businesses in the history of the world, McDonald's, the owner never flipped a burger in his life. My friends, I've been a business coach for many years. I've handed out over 80 trophies to my clients when I help them hit 6-7 figures in additional revenue, whether I'm scaling them or helping them launch. I've been around the block. We've reached the top 1% of the industry, and I want to share a couple of things with you. It drives me cuckoo paka, crazy, insane. When I go online and I read all these comments and all these people are asking about Go High Level, how do I do this tech thing? And how do I do that tech thing? And I have no idea. Let me tell you something that you need to go look in the mirror and repeat a bunch of times to yourself. I am an entrepreneur, not a software engineer. I am a visionaire, not a software engineer. What is the job of an entrepreneur? And the job of an entrepreneur is to have a vision and put people in place to make it happen. Take a look at McDonald's. I want like the world's coolest fast food burger joint. Okay, I'm putting in, gonna have a cashier, gonna have a guy making the fries, gonna have a guy making the burgers, gonna have a guy at the drive-thru, gonna have this system where I'm going to enter the order in the computer. It's going to show up in the monitor. I'm going to set up these automations. I'm going to hire a tech guy to set up these automations. Guys, the reality is this world is very big. Tech people are very cheap. I'm just telling you the truth because the world is very big. You have people I'm just going to be completely honest with you. You have people in third world countries. Now, a lot of people are not going to like what I'm going to say, but it's just the truth of the matter. You have people in third world countries that, for them, $20, $100 is a lot of money. It's a lot of money to actually feed them for a week. That's just the truth of it. Over here, that's like dinner for two, right? I mean, if you go for a decent dinner. My friends, the mantra I want to give to you is do what you do best and outsource the rest. What happens is, a lot of times in this business is, okay, I'm the copywriter, I'm the tech person, I'm the salesperson, I'm the marketing person, I create the offers. You know what ends up happening? You lose your mind, you burn out, okay? Let me tell you something. If you want to build your dream house, what are you going to do? You're going to go to Home Depot and say, all right, guys, what do I need to get? I'm going to build my dream house. They're going to look at you like you're a psychopath. All right, let me tell you what you need to build a dream house. You need an electrician, a plumber, a sheetrocker, a roofer, a painter. All these people are experts in their own field. My friends, you might be thinking right now, well, dude, I'm just starting out. Like, you want me to build this whole dream team? I don't have the budget for that. Hello. I guess you don't know me, but I started at zero. I actually was homeless. I lived in an electrical closet. My first sale I made was $5,000. When I deposited it into my bank account, my bank balance was like $5,200. Immediately, the first thing I did was hire a VA. At that time, it was $5 an hour. And by the way, you can still get VAs for $5 an hour. Isn't that interesting? I think I heard that that was 10 years ago. And you could still get VAs for $5 an hour. I recently tried one for $3 an hour. I mean, they were not that great, to be honest with you. They were okay. They were competent, but $5 plus is much better, in my opinion. So think about it. You hire someone, all right, let's just say $10 an hour for a couple hours, even 2 hours, a day, 5 days a week. That's $100 a week, dude. Do you know how much they can do? And they're high-level experts. If you geek out about it, whatever, great. But dude, I'll tell you something. Most of the people killing it They have no idea. They have someone doing it. They don't have any idea how to work the back end. You don't need a Go High Level tutorial. You don't need to know anything about it. I hardly log in. Guys, I've gotten hundreds of clients using Go High Level. I've hardly logged in. You know, I know some people might not like to hear that, but I'm sure some people are loving that. Here's the problem. If you don't do what you do best and outsource the rest, okay, picture this. Let me try to explain this to you. Like, it's kind of like a video game. In one day, you have this much energy, and then you do something, your energy is depleted, and when your energy is depleted, you're turning on Netflix. So here's the problem. Right now, okay, I'm going to be doing sales stuff, I'm going to be doing marketing stuff, I'm going to be doing tech stuff, I'm going to be figuring out, Go High Level the back, and I'm going to be watching tutorials. No more energy, turn on Netflix. Did I make any progress today? No. Did I make any sales today? No. Did I get any new clients today? No. Watch this. Do what you do. You outsource the rest. Money-making activity, money-making activity, money-making activity, cha-ching, 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 cha-ching. Netflix. Celebrate. Much, much, much better, right? I mean, this is the reality of it. I'm just telling you how I've done it. You don't have to like the method. I'm just telling you the truth on how I've done it. I've always, from day one, you do. And remember, guys, it's dirt cheap to hire a salesperson. It's free. It's commission only. To hire a setter, it's free, commission only. To be honest with you, now AI is taking over setters, and they're like $100 a month. So, my friends, you don't need, stop wasting. I'm telling you out of love, don't mind. Stop wasting your time trying to figure out, like, how do you do tech? Guys, I'm a technologically illiterate, funny looking brown guy with a name nobody can spell or pronounce, okay? I'm in the top 1%. You don't need to do it, okay? All right, guys, I want you to really think about that. Now, I'm going to give you a gift, a crazy, crazy gift. If you are looking to join Go High Level or upgrade and High Level, I'm going to give you a special link. I have a blueprint that's been responsible for millions, literally millions of dollars in sales. I've handed out over 80 trophies to my clients when I help them make 6 or 7 figures. So my stuff works. I'll show you how to make the best offer of I'll show you how to get the best mindset of your life, kind of like what we talked about today. I'll show you how to look at business a little bit differently. I'll show you how to create the best offer you've ever made, how to have the best funnel you've ever had, how to drive, we've made millions organically, how to drive a lot of organic traffic, how to close the deals, and how to fulfill them. And I'm going to give all of it to you for free. It's going to be completely for free. All you have to do is use our link to sign up, and that's my gift, to try Go High Level or to upgrade. And the link is in the description below, and it's kind of just that simple. I appreciate you. I appreciate you watching. Remember, guys, the biggest secret here is to have the intention, to have the what, to make more, to give more to your families, communities, and favorite charities, hence making the world a better place. I hope this video helped. I have like an editor, director, and all these crazy things, but I'm like, you know what? We're not gonna do any of that jazz. We're gonna have like a real heart. I'm like literally just chilling with you in my kitchen, having a real heart to heart with you, because I hate it. I hate to see other people. How do you do this tech thing? How do you do this tech thing? Stop. Do what you do best. Outsource the rest. You don't even need to like buy any courses or anything. Just click below. You're going to get mine completely for free. I believe it's the best industry. Go out there, crush it. Go out there to make more, to give more. Lots of love, y'all. Peace.